Hello, this is part 1 of the series on the chapter Further Expansion and Factorization of Algebraic Expression. This is chapter 4 of New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, which is also known as D2 or NSM. In the customized edition of the book for Army Public Schools and Colleges, this is chapter number 5 from their book New Secondary Mathematics. Let's get started. Worked example 1. Find each of the following products. A part is 4x multiplied by negative 7y. Now the rule for multiplying algebraic terms is we multiply the number with the number and variable with the variable. So here in this example 4 and negative 7 will be multiplied, and as we know 4 multiplied with negative 7 gives us negative 28. Now variables will be multiplied together. X multiplied with y is equal to x, y. So the answer is negative 28 xy. Let's move to B part. B part is 2xy square multiplied with 3xy square. So applying the same rule that we multiply the number with the number and variables with the variables, we have 2 into 3 is 6. Now here x will be multiplied with x. So we can write x multiplied by x, and using the index notation we can write it as x square. Another way to see this is the power of x is 1 multiplied by the power of x here is 1. When no power has been written, it means that the power is 1. So simply add the powers together, 1 plus 1, which is x square. So you can remember this either using the index notation or either using this law of exponent. So x multiplied with x is x squared, y square multiplied by y square. So y square means y multiplied by y. The next y square means y multiplied by y. So it will be equal to y raised to the power 4, as we have 4 y's over here. We can also do it using the laws of exponents. Y squared multiplied by y squared. When the same variable is multiplied, the powers are added. So it is equal to y 2 plus 2, which is equal to y raised to the power 4. You only need to remember either of these two methods. Which one suits you, which one is convenient, you may use it. So y squared into y squared is equal to y raised to the power 4. I hope this was easy. Let's move to practice now 1 in the next video.